Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can download FoxData on your Apple or and your Android device. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how to download on both of these OSs. So if we look, we are into the Google Play section. Now you will need to understand that you will need to type in FoxData onto Google for it to come up, and on your phone you might need to do a little bit of scrolling, because if we were to type FoxData, it might take a little bit of time for it to actually find, because it's only got 100 downloads. So you need to scroll through to actually find the correct application. Now for this application, it's only got 100 downloads. And you can check about this app, you can check about the data safety, and if it has any reviews. But by the looks of it, because it only has 100 downloads, it's not going to have as many reviews. These are some of the pictures, so you can check a lot of the pictures and see what they offer and what is their system. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.